Hi, I'm Jackie Holliday. Here, the fashionable Upper West Side has true New York City character. We're visiting the original Manhattan Locksmiths, a neighborhood institution for over 50 years. I'm here to get some keys made. Do you have my keys?
Yes, Jackie.
Oh, thank you, Irving.
You're welcome.
Manhattan Locksmiths has been here for over 50 years, providing locks, keys, lockout services, intercoms, buzzer systems, mailboxes, domestic and foreign car keys, alarm systems, and closed-circuit television. And best of all, for emergency service, they are open 24/7. So if I get locked out, I want Irving over here to show up at my door, not some shady guy in a white van. The one and only Manhattan Locksmiths, licensed and bonded, accept no imitators.